Toyota trucks and SUVs are legendary for their capability in rough terrain. This is thanks in large part to their four-wheel drive systems, which help enhance traction to assist drivers when tackling inclement weather and tough off-road conditions. Toyota offers four-wheel drive in two configurations, part-time and full-time, both of which can improve performance in bad weather, when climbing or pulling, and when the pavement ends and epic adventures begin. By default, Toyota trucks and SUVs that use a body-on-frame construction feature a front-engine rear-wheel drive layout. This configuration delivers power exclusively to the rear wheels, which is great for typical everyday driving conditions like dry, paved roads. And when driving in snow, rain, or low-traction surfaces, an electronically controlled limited slip differential can help optimize traction by momentarily applying the brake of the slipping wheel to transfer power to the other side. However, in rougher conditions that require even more grip, rear-wheel drive may not be enough, even with the help of a limited slip differential. This is where four-wheel drive comes into play. Switching to four-wheel drive distributes power to all four wheels to maximize grip. And with part-time four-wheel drive, the system can be switched on and off as needed, meaning drivers can benefit from the improved efficiency of rear-wheel drive during everyday driving. Once activated though, part-time four-wheel drive locks the front and rear axles together with a transfer case, which uses a planetary gear set to divide the power evenly out to two drive shafts connected by a heavy-duty chain. As a result, the front and rear wheels turn at the same speed. The transfer case has two settings, 4 high and 4 low. Selecting 4 high sends power straight to the drive wheels, resulting in great grip when driving through slippery conditions like mud and dirt. Meanwhile, 4 low is useful in low-speed driving situations that require extra torque, like crawling over large obstacles, climbing steep grades, or descending a rough trail. This is because the 4 low setting multiplies torque with its low-range gear and provides additional engine braking to all 4 wheels. 4 low also includes 2 unique features: active traction control, or A-track, and a locking rear differential on select models. A-track is designed to detect traction loss in 4 low and apply the brakes to individual wheels that don't have traction, transferring power to the wheels that do. Meanwhile, a locking rear differential can help ensure both rear wheels are receiving equal power regardless of terrain. Keep in mind that using four-wheel drive mode with a part-time system on dry pavement causes the wheels to intermittently bind when turning. This occurs because the front and rear axles are being driven at the same speed and can't rotate independently as needed around a curve, forcing the wheels to slip instead. Because of this, part-time four-wheel drive should only be used on lower traction surfaces like snow, mud, or dirt, since these looser, lower resistance surfaces can allow for differences in wheel speed. One way to solve this is with full-time four-wheel drive. As the name suggests, full-time four-wheel drive is always on and ready for nearly every type of road condition, meaning the driver doesn't need to manually engage the system each time it's needed. Full-time four-wheel drive retains similar features and capabilities as part-time four-wheel drive, like a low-range gear and A-track. Similar to how part-time four-wheel drive uses a transfer case, full-time four-wheel drive uses a torsion or torque-sensing center differential to distribute power and allow the wheels to turn independently. Additionally, it reacts to traction loss between the front and rear axles and reduces the slippage between them, all while allowing them to turn independently. As a result, this eliminates the binding issue inherent to part-time systems, allowing the vehicle to turn on high-traction surfaces while four-wheel drive is active. The torsion center differential also includes a locking function for maximum traction in loose, slippery conditions, helping the driver remain in control. Together, these systems mean full-time four-wheel drive offers added convenience while maintaining great performance. So that's a quick look at how Toyota's four-wheel drive can help take off-road performance to the next level.